Some popular Agile frameworks and methodologies include Scrum, Kanban, Stream Programming, and Lean Agile. Each of these approaches has its own set of practices and rules, but they all share the common Agile principles of adaptability and customer centricity. So, what is Scrum? Scrum is an Agile framework for managing and developing products, particularly in software development. It provides a structured approach to iterative and incremental product development. Here's an explanation of the key elements of Scrum. Like roles, Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is responsible for ensuring that the Scrum process is followed correctly. They facilitate Scrum events, remove impedance, and protect the team from external distraction. Their primary goal is to support the team in achieving its objectives. Product Owner. The product owner represents the stakeholders, customers, and users. They are responsible for defining and prioritizing the product backlog, which contains all the work that needs to be done on the project. The product owner collaborates with the team to ensure that product right features are developed and developed. The development team consists of self-organizing and cross-functional members responsible for turning the product backlog items into a potentially shippable product increment. They collaborate closely with the product owner and Scrum Master to develop the product in iterations called sprints. Ceremonies. Sprint planning. At the beginning of each sprint, the team holds a sprint planning meeting. During this meeting, they decide on the work they will complete during the sprint and create a sprint goal. Daily stand-up. The daily stand-up is a short daily meeting where team members provide updates on their progress, discuss any obstacles, and plan their work for the day. Sprint review. At the end of each sprint, the team presents the complete work to stakeholders and gathers feedback. The product owner reviews the progress against the sprint goal and may adjust the product backlog based on feedback. Sprint retrospective. After each sprint review, the team holds a sprint retrospective, reflect on their progress, teamwork, and effectiveness. They identify what went well and what can be improved, making adjustments for future sprint.